simply said, let's play. Go away!
Sure sounds like he said go away.
But that's impossible. Hal is the friendliest friend I've ever friended in this friendly world. But that's impossible. Hal is the friendliest friend I've ever friended in this friendly world. Leave me alone!
Hey, that isn't very nice.
Whoa, well, he doesn't sound very friendly today.
Come on, we better see what's going on. I'm gonna put this squeak toy here. Hal.
Elijah, what are you doing there, buddy?
Isn't it obvious, buddy?
Buddy,
Not really.
I'm building a model Tyrannosaurus
I'm-
Rex completely out of squeak toys.
I'm playing with my favoriteest scary hobby games in my entire life. I call Mr. Stinky's Detention. What's going on here?
I call it Squeakosaurus Rex. What is the problem here?
Name.
Oh, it's gonna be awesome. You see, I
I
love
love-
squeak toys.
I love
and
Mr. Stinky.
I love dinosaurs.
And I love
So it's a win-win for me.
me.
I'm gonna put this squeak toy here. I'm building a problem here. How can I come up? I'm very win for me, baby. It's gonna be awesome. You see, I love squeak toys and I love dinosaurs, so it's a win-win for me, baby. If I could ever get it built, baby. If I could ever get it built, it's a win-win for me, baby. If I could ever get it built. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Easy, Hal. What's going on? I'm very frustrated. I have been working on Squeakosaurus Rex for 4 days straight. 4 days?
So that's why you haven't been out to play.
How can I come out to play when Squeakosaurus Rex isn't finished? Oh, don't worry, Squeakosaurus Rex. I will complete you. Oh, yes, I will. Dude, sorry, I got a little evil there for a sec. What was I doing again?
I believe you were building your Squeakosaurus Rex.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, that was just like a second ago. Thanks, Nature Cat.
Nature cat. Do I look like a cat to you? I'm squeaks.
Hey, Hal, why don't you take a break, okay? If I take a break, Squeakosaurus Rex will never be finished! Never!
Hal, you okay, big dog?
I take a break, Squeak...
But if I take a break, Mr. Stinky's Detention hobby will never be finished. Never!
Squeakosaurus Rex will never be finished! Never!
Aww.
Hal? Hal, you okay, big dog?
I don't feel so good.
What's wrong?
I feel tired and I can't focus and my brain is all fuzzy. You also seem to be a tad bit grumpy, if I do say so myself. Who are you calling grumpy? Okay, yep. A tad bit grumpy, if I do say so myself. Who are you calling grumpy? Okay, yep, that was pretty grumpy. I don't feel so good.
What's wrong?
I feel tired and I can't focus and my brain is all fuzzy. You also seem to be a tad bit grumpy, if I do say so myself.
Who do you call me grumpy? Okay,
Yeah,
yep,
that was
not
pretty
very grumpy.
What is
What's wrong with me? Am I sick?
You know who knows what you need? Dr. Daisy.
What, Dr. Daisy? Is it a shot or surgery or a fuzzy brain transplant?
Okay, little fella, here's your prescription.
Go outside. Well, how can that help?
Let Dr. Daisy tell you all about it.
Thank you, Dr. Daisy. Any chance you could tell me about it in song form?
Sure.
Hmm?
I know a trick that can help you quick. It'll make you feel brand new. Go outside, get yourself outside for a dose of sun and a spoonful of fresh air. Go outside, get yourself outside. Sometimes nature is the very best health care. When your brain is numb and your spirit's glum and you feel you can't see straight, I know a cure, it'll work for sure. Soon you'll be feeling great. Go outside, get yourself outside for a shot of fun while playing in the park. Go outside, get yourself outside the park. Go outside, get yourself outside.
What?
Nature's light will
my
chase
gosh.
away the dark.
Dog.
When you grump and groan and you whine and moan and you feel like you want to shout, take a tip from me, try it out and see. It'll calm you, there's no doubt. Go outside, get yourself outside. My prescription is to get an outside place.
Go outside. Get yourself outside.
Nature will put a smile on your face. Go outside, get yourself outside. Nature will put a smile on your face.
I know the perfect place will get you there, Elijah. Follow us.
Town and go someplace where we're needed. I'm sad too, Huggy. But crime has been eliminated. They just don't need us anymore.
The next day, the entire town gathers to say goodbye to Word Girl and Captain Mightyface.
Saying goodbye to the citizens of this fair city is one of the hardest things I've ever had to do. We love you, Word Girl!
I love you, Word Girl! We love
Huh?
you, Word Girl!
And I love
Thank you.
you. I
Thank
love
you.
you all. You know, I may be leaving, but I take with me some great memories. Like the time Chuck the Evil
I miss you, Word Girl! And you too, Captain Huggyface!
And I'll never forget the countless battles. And Captain Huggyface and I will miss you all.
Wow, that was a quick.
Okay, I'm outside. Okay, I'm outside.
Okay, I'm outside. I'm all good now, okay?
I'll just be heading back home so I can go build my Squeaksaurus rags.
Heck, we just got here, Hal. Now come on, let's go for a nice walk and let nature help you feel better.
Ugh, this is so unfair. I should be inside with my Squeakasaurus rags.
This is so unfair. I should be inside with my Mr. Stinky's Detention.
Hey, Uncle Scar, guess what?
Hey, Uncle Gil! Guess what? Hey, guess the games.
I'm gonna be taking a private rock. My dad just showed me the whole kingdom.
And I'm gonna roll it up.
Hey, Uncle Scar, when I'm king, what'll that make you? You're so weird.
So, your father showed you the whole kingdom.
Everything.
He didn't show you what.
Ah!
problem.
There's a good lad. Run along now and have fun. Remember, it's our little secret.
Hmm.